Hello everyone to another video. Um, in this video we'll be talking about the term enlightenment um, and what it actually means. So this word is thrown around a lot and it has lost its significance. Um, People keep talking about enlightened beings, but what exactly is it? So enlightenment can be approached in two ways. Um, or it can be in two ways that a person can be enlightened, and these can be together. So for example, um, the first way is energy wise. So we've already talked about the kundalini and how it plays a major role in your spiritual progress. To be energetically enlightened means that the kundalini is flowing freely through the seven chakras in your system. I think in the previous videos we talked about how most of the human population has their kundalini lying dormant in the lower chakras. And if a person is energetically enlightened, it means that the kundalini has risen and is now free flowing in those seven chakras. Another way that a person can be enlightened is through the consciousness. A person is said to be an enlightened being if they have exceptional knowledge. Um, Gautam Buddha, for example, the Buddha, if your consciousness is enlightened, it means that you have gained the required knowledge, the knowledge to answer questions of this existence, the fundamental questions. And there are countless number of such individuals uh, in our history that had an enlightened consciousness. But it's not really possible for your consciousness to be enlightened unless you're there energy wise. It's not possible for your consciousness to be enlightened unless that your energy is there where it needs to be. In the video about the four parts of yoga, we discussed that primarily there are only two parts. In combination with the four, there are only two parts, karma and kriya, through which you can approach enlightenment of the energy. After you are enlightened on an energy level, can you approach enlightenment on the level of consciousness? So a fully enlightened being is someone who has both enlightenment on an energy level as well as on the level of consciousness. It's not really possible to be enlightened on the level of consciousness if your energy is not there, because how your energy functions within your body is going to determine a lot, almost everything, I would say, because it's going to determine the kind of emotions that you have, the kind of thoughts that you have, and at what level do you really vibrate. If you want to be a higher vibrational being with better emotions to offer yourself and other people, only then you can be available to knowledge, to higher realms of knowledge, and be enlightened through the consciousness. So, in general, we can say that a truly enlightened being is someone who is both enlightened in the energy way, so they have all their seven chakras up and functioning, and has the critical knowledge, spiritual knowledge, that is required to be called enlightened through the consciousness. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.